I thought in Louisiana we valued the right to practice your religion, and at no time is more important than at the time of your death, your last rites. I thought wrong. Louisiana threw up these procedural roadblocks in the face of his genuine moral motion to have his religion respected at the time of his death. And they're talking about res judicata. This is a moral issue, and Judge Moore could have ruled consistent with Mr. Hoffman's right to practice his religion, and Judge Moore chose to go with the state's procedural objection.
There are two different motions. It was the first kind of one, and then he recessed, came back. Can you kind of just explain for the people at home what those arguments were and what you guys are trying to bring forward?
Well, Mr. Hoffman yesterday filed in criminal court a challenge to his sentence under the state right to humane treatment. Our state constitution protects against torture, unlike the U.S. Constitution or other states. And so we, as the people of Louisiana at the time the Constitution was enacted, said, we're not going to torture people. And so he filed a motion in criminal court. The court said, no, you have to file it in civil court. So we filed it in civil court, and now we're being told this isn't the right place for it either. And I would ask the state of Louisiana, at what point does Jessie Hoffman get to say, I cannot be tortured to death? We are going to continue to pursue all options available. Jessie has asked us to fight for him until the end, and we are going to do that.
You guys petitioned the Supreme Court. Tell me a little bit about that. Have you guys heard back? What are the next steps specifically in the Supreme Court?
We plan to file a reply to the state's response early this afternoon, pointing out that the Supreme Court should take up this issue of whether mental torture counts as torture under the 8th Amendment, or does it have to be physical pain? And anybody that has experienced drowning, waterboarding, being suffocated knows that that is real physical pain, and that is what Mr. Hoffman will have to endure tonight.
Anything else you want to add? Anything we missed?
Just add that Brother Romoko Smith, the spiritual advisor, was prevented from testifying today. He will be the only one there with Jessie as he's executed. The prison has said no attorneys for Mr. Hoffman are allowed to attend. That's it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.